Delhi High Court's recent landmark ruling decriminalizing gay sex shot down. The Supreme Court has asked the centre where it stands on the issue. The government now has 11 days in which to respond. Prachi Butcher reports.
Tell us where you stand on decriminalizing gay sex in 11 days. This was the Supreme Court's order to the centre. The potent issue that's being nationally debated was in court after an astrologer filed a PIL or a public interest litigation against the recent Delhi High Court verdict decriminalizing homosexuality.
I have come here to Supreme Court to look at this larger issue, so that a proper conclusion is made out of it, and interest of hundreds of crores of Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Isais, and forget about all the religions, our culture.
Right now, there is no stay of the Delhi High Court judgment. However, after getting responses from the Centre, NAS Foundation, Delhi government and others, Supreme Court may consider the petitioner's plea for staying the High Court judgment.
And that's what many of these men, religious leaders, are also hoping. Today they came together to speak on the issue.
हमारे मजहब ही के खिलाफ नहीं, हर मजहब के खिलाफ नहीं।
और हमारे भारत के अंदर जो महान संस्कृति है वह नष्ट और भ्रष्ट न हो सके, इसका हम जोरदार प्रयास करेंगे।
मैं सोचता हूं कि किसी का फंडामेंटल राइट किसी के सेक्सुअल प्रेफरेंस के हिसाब से डिनाई नहीं करना चाहिए। ये बहुत गलत बात है। ऐसे तो कह नहीं सकते कि कुछ चंद लोगों के वजह से पूरे देश का माइंडसेट से हम खिलवाड़ कर रहे हैं।
But despite pressure from all sides, for now at least the government remains evasive.
So anyway, we happen to meet only after the judgment, after 2 days. Right. So we analyze the judgment, and we are going to give what is the impact of the judgment and what is the judgment exactly.
The case comes up for hearing now on the 20th of July. With A. Vaidyanathan and Sunetra Chaudhary in New Delhi, Prachi Butcher for NDTV.